Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I had some time off of work, so I reached out to my buddy Rance and asked if he wanted to come out to the camp and do a little weekday hunt. So we're out here in the marsh hoping to knock down a few ducks. It's about 50 degrees out here today with really low winds. So we set up in the big pond again with the big spread, and hopefully we can get some big ducks to work, which has been pretty tough this season. But yeah, we got about, 15 minutes before a legal shoot, so we're gonna settle down, put the motion decoys out, and hopefully we get some birds to come around. So see you guys in a while.
That's dogre. See if it comes back around.
100% dogre.
They ain't swinging back.
Ducks in front, two teal. Take them.
I can't even see. You got
Three.
Good shot. Three.
Yep. Fetch them, Echo. That's 3 teal. Fetch them, Echo. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Go get that.
You gotta shoot. You gotta shoot.
How did I not pop him?
Watch out, don't hit this one.
Yep, I'm doing the one on the right.
Echo's gonna get this one. Echo's gonna get this one.
I think that one just died out there. Good boy, Echo. Good boy. 3 greenies.
You got 2 at one shot?
Yeah.
I don't know about that other one.
Yeah, I'm about to have to go get him. Here, you work the dog. I'm gonna go get that bird.
All right.
All right, good way to start it. That's 3 birds down. Echo, come here. Drop him. Good boy. Blue wing, actually. Stay. There he is. Go back down. All right, keep an eye out. There he is. Got him on that one. Yep, that'll do it, I think. There we go, duck number 2. Hen green wing. I knew I saw a green wing.
You got him?
Yeah.
You're getting a workout, yeah. You finally see him, huh?
There goes Echo getting that other bird.
Yeah, you got him. Come on. Good boy, good boy.
Duck's above you. Duck's behind you. Teal behind you.
Where? 2 birds.
Green wing? Look like
it, yeah.
One's a blue.
Huh.
There's a lot of ducks flying.
Yeah, the mixed grew, I'm flying there.
Yeah, there's a lot of ducks flying. Good boy. Did I get all hens? Damn. Come here. Drop it. Good boy. There we go. Good way to start the morning. Now I'm really almost out of shells.
That was a good shot.
There we go, guys. 3 birds came in, knocked them all down. And there we go, guys. Duck number 1. Duck number 2. And duck number 3. 3 teal worked in perfect and knocked 2 down in one shot, and then I think popped the last one on the next shot. It was all a blur at this point. Rance couldn't even get a shot off. You didn't see him coming in, huh?
No, I could. It was still 2. I couldn't see them.
Good way to start the morning.
For me.
There's birds moving around.
I can see.
See if we can get some more. Unfortunately, I think that might be the story with big ducks today. Still early, but that's how the season's been, at least. Big duck will look at you, but unless it's a single, they don't really want to come in.
Oh shit! Look, man. Let's swing back around, man. They're coming back.
Oh yeah. Come on, right over us. Here they come in the front.
Oh, yeah.
Right in front. Take it. That's 3. That's my limit. Touch him, Echo. Come on, Rance. Come on, what time is it? One man, 6:44.
I see 2.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, a triple thing you got.
2 triples. Or no. Yeah,
that's
two
a
triples.
real. Yeah, but that's a real. Well, yeah, but it ain't a.
That's her, bud.
Ain't a true triple.
Come on, Echo. Oh yeah, pretty Drake. Come here. Come here. Come here. Drop. Good boy. Rance.
Yeah, man.
That's duck number 4. Take him.
Oh, you put them in. You got your strip.
All right. Kind of same situation. Duck took off. We gotta go run him down. I think I see him. Yep, I see him. Rance, can you send him on that bird? Maybe I will. Yeah, he can't even swim fast enough to get away from me. I'm so close, I don't want to shoot it. Dead now. Maybe. Actually, it dove again. He's still going. There she is. There she is. Come here, girl. There we go. All right. He got that bird?
Yeah, you got him.
All right.
You got him?
Yeah.
That was wow. Same case scenario.
What was that?
That was the same case scenario. One got away, like you had to go chase him.
Yeah, same exact thing.
Man, like deja vu.
It was meant to be.
6 teal, quick.
6:44. Shot my limit by 6:44. That's crazy.
I mean,
Don't get any better than that.
for you to get 2 triples, Jesus. Yeah, you shoot like that, it's easy to get your limit.
There we go, guys. That is duck number 4. That's gonna be duck number 5. That's a pretty green winged drake. And duck number 6. Man, that was good shooting. Redeemed myself after last week. Last week I shot so bad. But yeah, that's 2 triples. Now we gotta get Rance on board. Ducks, Rance, ducks. Come on. Dogre. Pop, pop. Yeah, they loop them back. Good, Rance. Got one. Two. Woo! Come on. Take a shot at that one art there. You could probably put a spread on him. He's pretty up on top of the water. Plus Echo will see him. Yeah, he sees him now.
Wide shot there.
He sees him now, and that duck can't really swim well. He's gonna get the other one first. Dude, them ducks work perfect, huh?
Yeah, they came back around, man.
Yep.
That's amazing.
Looped right around us.
Because you got all this water.
This is the dogre pond, though. Them dogre like this water right here. Look like a hen right there. I think the other one's a drake. Yeah, I'm gonna go get that duck. Oh, this is a drake. Good stuff. Come here, buddy. Drop. All right, duck number 7. Beautiful drake dogre. Big old stud. There you go, Rance.
Drake bluebill.
Go get that bird. Have my gun in case I need it. If I shoot a shell at it, you're gonna owe me one. I don't have many. That's the rules
Hey,
today.
I ain't got many shells, brother.
That's the rules today, playboy.
Better hope you got that box in that other blind.
Echo, to the front. Place. Stay. Stay. You got eyes on him?
Yeah,
Oh,
he's
he's
straight
good.
out there.
We should be able to get him.
Looks like he's going anywhere.
Man, you didn't even see them, too,
What, coming?
at the beginning.
Oh, at the beginning, I did.
You know what's doing it, huh?
Ah.
That flapper in the water.
Yeah. Might be.
This is a stud out here, man. That did it. This is a pretty bird right here. Stay, stay. Ah! Couldn't resist. Get him, buddy. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on, bud. Come on. Come on. Come on, bud. Come here. Come here. Drop him. Good boy. Oh. Just a stud.
Might just be an older bird.
Play, Psycho. Stay. Sit.
Let's see.
There you go, Rance.
Oh, he's the same.
Yeah, no, he does.
Bleeding on that head.
Yeah, duck number 8. There we go, guys. Ducks number 7 and 8. That is some stud bluebill. Worked really well. Came around the front of the decoys. Rance didn't quite see him, so we waited, wrapped around, and Rance popped him. 2 shots, 2 kills. Good shooting, babe.
Circled right back around.
Yep. Oh, lose my balance. Going around our back. 2 dogre.
Do what?
Dogre. Might loop around on the right. Nope, they went out towards the water. Let's see them flying over the water. They're gone. Fucking ducks on the left, ducks on the left. Teal, teal, teal. Take him, take him, take him, take him. Little greenies. All good.
Well, Mike, you gotta start backing me up, brother.
I'm recording.
Good. We need our ducks.
All right, all right.
Oh, what the fuck I did? I wasn't aiming right. I kind of got discombobulated or something.
Like I said, it was a late shot anyway. They worked nice.
Mm-hmm.
They lit up perfect distance right in the decoys, just like they've been doing all morning. Laying straight across from the left side to the right. It's all right. We'll get another flock. They got a lot of teal around. Whole lot of teal around.
I can't up against a little while.
They're coming our way. Ready?
Yeah, I see him. Hold on.
Nice teal.
Kind of out of
Blue
range though.
Blue wings. Looping back. They're coming. Looks like they land on the lagoon.
Should have shot, huh?
Yeah, we probably could have reached for them. Might have hit one. All right, if that happens again, we're shooting.
Yeah.
Like the high shot?
Yeah.
That's high,
Oh,
high.
Jesus, that's way too high.
There's more, there's more.
They might come in. They going to the lake, suckers. These motherfuckers up there gonna keep getting up. How high they go. They like the fucking geese.
Stay down, let's stay down.
Oh, yeah. They like the fucking geese. They get up high quick. The teal call. He's a regular call. They're all gonna go back in that fucking pond. They spook people. They get up high just like them geese, huh? I haven't seen nothing like that.
They got more to the left. What you think, we gonna call it?
I guess.
I mean, there's birds moving, but they ain't committing.
They're not coming in.
I think if we were gonna get anything, it was gonna be while them birds were moving from that boat.
It didn't happen.
Man, what a hunt. This has been awesome. So many ducks around. Unfortunately, the big ducks really didn't want to commit, but we were able to get some teal to work early and had a really, really quick action limit. We got some ducks on the left. And man, that might be the earliest limit I've ever gotten. That was less than 20 minutes. Yeah, if my memory serves me correct, I think I shot 5 shells to kill those 3 ducks, aside from shooting at the cripples. May have been 6 shells. But yeah, that was really awesome. There it is, the good luck LaRue. The good stuff. All right, guys, I'm back at the house recording this outro clip. When we loaded the boat back up, some guys came over and were asking a lot of questions about our hunt, and I just didn't want to record this in front of them. You know, we've been having a really good season, and people have slowly been encroaching upon us. We even had a guy hunt on our lease this year, and unfortunately, we didn't have the boundary lines on us, so we couldn't prove it until, you know, the next weekend. Look at this, Uncle Rance been set up here all morning, and some guys roll in at about 8 o'clock. Look where they set up. This ain't public land either. Crazy, crazy. But yeah, today was absolutely awesome. This has been by far the fastest hunt I've ever personally had. You know, shooting 6 ducks with the 5 shells was super cool, especially since last weekend I shot terrible. Yeah, I wish we could get these big ducks to work, man. I'm gonna include a clip right here showing how they were working, but they would fly super high right over us. They'd kind of look at us, but they never would commit. If anything, they would kind of skirt us and, you know, eventually go behind us into the big water with the feed, and they were just dropping out the sky. It was super cool. But regardless, you know, we got the teal to work, we had some dogre work, and it was just an awesome day, man. But yeah, if you like this video or you like hunting and fishing content here in South Louisiana, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Drop me a like, leave me a comment, let me know how your season's going, and I'm gonna see you guys next time.